Hello my dear friends, I managed to get a Bvlgari Tygar washbag set for 67 pounds, and let me tell you a secret, I have another one coming for 60 identical like this one. And also I have two Bvlgari's Orom, both for 110, and that Orom, Scott said it is the best vanilla scent from his collection. So I can't wait for it to arrive. If you wanna buy it right now, Bvlgari Tygar, the 125 ml bottle is about 350 pounds here in the UK, so this juice is quite expensive. The 60 ml bottle is about 250, and I paid, as I said, for the 30 ml one 67 pounds, shipping included, and also I believe it is a very good deal, taking in consideration I've got all the items. This fragrance DNA is quite familiar to me, and in so many cases with these expensive fragrances, first time I had a clone from Parfum Parlor named Pantera, but I had the chance to smell the original for the first time in Bucharest duty-free airport, and when I smelled it, the grapefruit quality blew me away. The grapefruit quality, guys, is so realistic in this fragrance. It is a bit bitter, it is a bit sweet, it is so good. We have the ginger in the mid, which confers the crispy, clean vibe all the way through, alongside the musky note, the vetiver, and nonetheless, the ambroxan. The ambroxan here, guys, is one of the best, and if you follow my channel, you know I'm not a big fan of the ambroxan note because it's giving me headaches. I couldn't wear Sauvage EDT because of the ambroxan note, and also I couldn't wear Invictus again because of the ambroxan note. But when I wore this fragrance, I didn't get any headache, and you can feel the quality there. Performance is absolutely great, it's lasting minimum 10 hours, but honestly I've got 12, and also it is projecting quite loudly for about 4 hours. And when I'm saying it is projecting for 4 hours, it is projecting, guys, over 1 arm length. The projection is great, but greater than projection it is the scent trail. I sprayed it 10 times, but these are, little sprays, not like from the big bottle. And after 2 hours from application, a lady who was walking over 5 meters behind me, she complimented me telling this fragrance smells good and also it is strong. So the scent trail, even after 2 hours with 10 sprays, it is 5 meters behind. This is such an amazing fragrance, amazing for the springtime, amazing for the summertime, but it can be used all year around due to its performance, and also I feel it is great for an upscale event. It is a beast. Really happy having it in my collection, and this fragrance is going to stay for a while. Let me know if you wanna see a full comparison between Bvlgari Tygar and Afnan Turati Blue. Somehow I feel it's not right to do this comparison because of the price tag, but just let me know if you wanna see it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.